Okay, in this video we're going to take a look at finding the equation of a quadratic function from its graph. Now, it's important to note that all quadratics share the exact same general formula. And that formula is y is equal to k bracket x minus a, x minus b. A quadratic always has the two roots, x minus a, x minus b. A cubic would have three roots, x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. A quartic would have four roots, and so on, okay? But they always have this multiplier, this k value, at the very front. And that's the thing that decides how high or how low, how shallow or how steep a quadratic curve should actually be. So if you're ever asked to state the equation of a graph from the graph, you'll be given three things. You'll be told where it cuts through the x-axis, the two roots, and you'll also be told another point on the curve. Now in example 1 here, that example is the y-intercept. It doesn't have to be that. It could be any other point on the curve. Okay, so let's go ahead and state the equation of this graph then. So it's a parabola, so it's of the form y is equal to k bracket x minus a, x minus b. So first of all, let's put the roots into the formula here. So I get y is equal to k bracket. Now remember, if the root is 1, then the factor will be x minus 1. If the root is 3, then the factor will be x minus 3. The root is always the opposite of the factor. Now, let's take this other point here. So the other point I've got here is the point 0, 6. So that means that x is 0 when y is 6. So in order to find the value of k, I need to set my y and x values to these numbers here. So that will give me 6 is equal to k times 0 minus 1, 0 minus 3. So that will be 6 is equal to k times minus 1, helpful if I wrote down minus 1, times minus 3. So simplify that, so I get 3k is equal to 6. So k has to be 2. The question wants it in the form of this here. So I know my value of k, I know my value of a and b, so put it all together. So I can say, therefore, the equation is going to be y is equal to 2 bracket x minus 1, x minus 3. Okay?